everything you wanted me to. So tell me, baby, what did I do wrong? I told you what you wanted to know, precious secrets never spoken before. All I'm asking, where did I go wrong? Some things are better left unsaid, that all I do is cry instead. Now I've cried me a river, thinking how it used to be. And there've been too many tears falling, and there've been too many hearts breaking in two. Remember what we had together, believing it would last forever. So tell me, baby, where did I go wrong? Everything I had was yours, more than I have ever given before. So won't you tell me, did I hurt you so bad? I guess I'm fooling myself, 'cause I want you and no one else. And I can't understand why you're doing these things to me. And there've been too many tears falling, and there've been too many hearts breaking in two. survive, scratching to stay alive. It's amazing. With a blink of an eye, you finally see the light. Oh, it's amazing. When the moment arrives that you know you'll be alright. Oh, it's amazing. And I'm saying a prayer for the desperate hearts tonight. You know I'm a dreamer, but my heart's of gold. I had to run away high so I wouldn't come home low. Just when things went right, it doesn't mean they were always wrong. Just take this song and you'll never be left all alone. Take me to your heart, fill me in your bones. Just one more night and I'm coming on this long and wide